Welcome to this video. It's not one of my normal videos. This is simply a response to a Excel YouTube clip that I saw a few days ago. It was from July 2013. MrExcel, the guru himself, he was asked a question about how to transpose a group of cells while maintaining the formula link. And Mike Irvin and MrExcel came up with a couple of complicated formulas that did so. I use something much simpler, and so I just want to show you that. Basically what we've got here is a data set, columns A through E, and using the initial, column C, I've calculated average height and average age for everyone who has an initial A, B, C, D, etc. So a bit of a frivolous exercise, but good for an example anyway. And so the task is how to copy and paste special what is a vertical table, turn it into a horizontal table while still maintaining the formula links. Now what I did there is paste values, and so as you can see there's no link to the data, it's simply a paste of values. So how I solve this problem is relatively simply, and this may not necessarily be the answer for everyone, but using Control H keyboard shortcut, I replace equals with a hat. Sometimes I use the ampersand, and what happens is it takes away the equals. What that does is it stops that being a formula. It now just sees that as text. So if I Control C, paste special values, transpose, I can now do the reverse. And if I wanted to correct the original data as well, and what we've now got, once I tidy up, the formats, is exactly the same data now. Horizontal table rather than vertical table. So once you take away the equal sign, it's no longer a formula, the values no longer change, and you can paste it, transpose it, and then convert it back to a formula with find and replace again later. Very valuable trick, I find. Sometimes it's very easy to auto-complete formula in the orientation of the data and then transpose it into the new orientation later. Hopefully that trick was useful. You can also do it from one page to another with find and replace. You just have to do a couple more steps so that you include the page name and the new location. But either way, find and replace, fantastic way to solve the problem.